Hello, this is KG. Let's look at the movement of the dollar today with the euro dollar daily interval. This is after market hours, so the market is not really active, but you can see that the cursor is still moving. The price is still moving up and down a little bit. First, let's look how the price of the euro dollar finished for the week last week, and we can see that it finished with a pin and with the bearish rejection here. The price moved sharply down and found support today at the 61.8 retracement of the 1.47 level and close to the 1.38 price. As you can see, the price moved up and stopped exactly at this trend line here, which is a weekly trend line. Usually I do not look at trend lines, but it's since it's a weekly trend line, it holds some kind of a value. The important support level we have here is this moving average, which is 150 moving average on weekly. If we go back to daily, we can see we had a sharp movement down today. The price moved exactly from this trend line, which is at a high of 139.50, and this is basically a pivot level. You can see that the price stop here. There's not up end here. There's two lows of these bars here. There is another bar, so we have support, resistance, one bar resistance, another bar resistance for today. If we look back, the 139.50 level, it's a pretty good pivot level. Of course, the 1.40 level, it's the main level. I believe the price will find resistance somewhere in these lines here. You can see the support. I'm sorry. In this line, you can see the this line here, which is as we already say, the 61.8 retracement level of 1.47 level. Fibonacci retracement. You can see the price. They have support. This bar here, support, two bar support. We have resistance. So I'm expecting this line to hold, this price to hold again at 1.38. Also, if you look at the weekly, like we already did, the price finished with a pin bar rejection of this area down here of 38.2 retracement of the big price of 1.61 from June or last year. So we have an up movement even on the weekly, and we probably will see a momentum rejection, just a rejection for the next week of this level here, and if this pin bar can break the 1.40 area, it could possibly do another high here of 1.4150 up to this line, and then if we do a double high here on this line here, 1.42, and I believe the target for the price before it goes up eventually will come and reach a 1.35 level. And it all depends if this week gets close at above 140 As you can see, last week the highs was at 1.4011, and the price never never closed above this area here. So every time there was a movement up, the price could never close for the day, so there was a massive taking of profit once the price reached this area. In those days that the price got up here, you see here, and even on Friday was a huge profit taking. This 1.40 area was also coinciding with a trend line, and it was a good pivot level. So this week I expect the price to find support at 1.38 area and shoot a little bit above 1.40 up to 1.41. I'm expecting a second high here, as if we can make a double high right here, or even better right here, then we could short the price again for one more time. I think it will be a pretty good shorting opportunity before the price takes off above this level here to the target of 1.45. On this currency, euro dollar itself, I do not see any trading opportunity. Very clean, but price probably would try to raise up today, and we'll find a resistance at 139, and probably can short it at 139 to 138.50 again for the movement of this bar tomorrow. That's starting forming right now. Most likely the price will find support here, but this will be a good shorting. Probably when the price reaches 139, you can short it for 50 pips and catch a little profit here. If we look at the other currencies, New Zealand dollar, there's a little pin bar here of 1.73 area. I could take a short trade here. It's already going through the maximum up to the bottom of this bar right here. There's a nice one here, euro pound. We can see the pin bar off the high extreme lows on 0.84, and it closed above just below 85. If this can gap this 0.85, it could reverse this whole trend right here, daily trend. That was all for today. I was KG with your forex signals. I hope this has been educational for you and as well profitable. We'll see you next time.